Hey guys, it's Anne Borja, and I'm going to teach you guys how to turn any plain old coaster into a cute one like these. So today, the materials you're going to need are a coaster, some paintbrushes, a stencil of your choosing, a blow dryer, this is optional, some paint, I use red and blue, and a cup of water to dip your paintbrushes in. So first what we're going to do is get a palette. I just used a plain old cardboard piece and pour our paint. Here you can see that I'm pouring the red paint that I'm going to use for the heart and some light blue paint for the background. So now I'm just getting ready with the coaster. Make sure I use something under the surface so that none of the paint gets on my table. So first what I'm going to do is get my blue paint for the background and use it to make a first coat. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my blow dryer to dry it faster, but you can just air dry it. Once you're done drying, which will only take a few minutes, you're gonna get more blue paint and coat it with a second coat. It's important to do multiple coats and multiple dries so that the paint is not see-through or transparent. Make sure you cover up all spots. And now we're going to dry it one more time. Now we're going to grab our stencil and put it on top of the dry coaster. Make sure it's dry so that the paper doesn't stick to the coaster. What I'm going to do now is start putting the first red coat for our stencil in the middle. I'm doing a heart, but you can do any other shape that you like. Here I'm making sure that the paper is sticking down, but not sticking to the paint, since it's already dry. Once you're done with the first coat, you're going to use your dryer to dry it. It's important to do multiple coats. Now we're going to try taking off the stencil, and so I messed up, but it's okay if you mess up like this. I'm going to teach you guys how to fix it. It is important to use really thick paper, but if you use like regular glitter paper like me or printer paper, you can just fix it by putting more paint on the background. You can use smaller brushes or even your fingers to fix those little errors. There's a little bit of paint and some paper stuck there, but it's okay, we'll fix it. I'm using my big brush to make sure I get the outline right on the outside, and fixing the heart on the inside. Sometimes we get the error of having little cracks in our paint when we dry it, but we don't want that. So what we're going to do is put some more paint over it so that it's smooth and clean. There you go, it looks good as new. Now that everything is finished and we got those little cracks out, I'd say our coaster looks pretty good. So here's the finished product. I have a little cute heart in the middle of a blue background. There you have it, the finished product. My name is Anne Borja from North Hills. We live in interesting times.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe here at EBC Digital Nest so you don't miss any of our upcoming features.